In this video, we will create and use a background image for our game. If you remember, if you go to script, RPI, we have used the command scene and set it to BG room background, but we do not have this file yet. It's not showing us anything. Let's try to create a file like this. There is a lot of services that you can use to download free images. But these days, it's probably easiest just to generate one using AI. One of the ways of doing it is using Microsoft Designer. If you just look for it, designermicrosoft.com. It's a service, it can be used for free. You just need to create Microsoft account and log in as one. And then you have access to this website with some free, they call it boosts, available daily for generating new images. Once you log in, you can click on create with AI and in graphics, which is background. And that will let us create a background using AI. First, click on size and choose a portrait because we want, choose white because we want photos with this aspect for our game. And then a prompt. Let's say we want to create castle, background, comic style, horror. While it's creating, I show the images I have created previously. I created a park and a school. Let's use a park one, for example. Once you click on it, you get your image of a park. If you want to, you can do some adjustments to it. For instance, apply some filters to suit the style of your game. And then once you're happy with it, click on download, PNG, you download it, and the image will end up in your download files. The file name is designer. Now I will copy this image. I press Ctrl X to actually cut it and put that into our game folder. That was desktop, RenPy, our game, game one. Then we go inside game, inside images, and I paste this image here. In the source code, it was called BG room. So I will just rename it to BG room. Press enter. Let's run our game now. Start. Okay, we can see the image, but actually the image is cropped. The image that was generated is a bit bigger than this, than the resolution we have chosen. Okay, so as the last step, let's resize this image. Put here. And then we go to our image, we right click and we edit it, which opens by default Microsoft Paint, which is a nice option, resize. We resize it by pixels from 1 to 80 to 720. That's the resolution we have picked. Okay, we save it, we close Paint, we run our game again, we start, and here we go. This is our image. It's being used in the game. We can generate more images for every scene we want to use in our game. Let's see. Okay, and this is our castle. Well, why not? We could, for example, use this one. Okay, we click on it and then we either download it or we could further edit it. That's gonna be added to our projects. And then we can do some simple operations like, for example, apply some filters. So please go ahead, create few images and name them in a way that will be used, or change these parameters to scene to match your file name. Thanks for listening.